because I'm standing strong with my baby. You're my favorite fantasy, still floating high, no gravity. We keep it strong, love our family. Our love's deeper than the ocean, show stability.
Hey guys, so today I will be making some Rotanian cross buns. Now these cross buns goes back to my grandma, my mom. It's just in our culture. It's my culture buns, okay? From where I'm from Rotan, Bay Island. And on Easter, Good Friday, we usually make cross buns. So that's what I'll be doing today, guys. So I'll be adding my dry ingredients to my 6 cups of flour and sugar, 1 cup of sugar that I also add in there. Also adding my crushed cinnamon. I have my son to crush the cinnamon up as fine as possible. I also this is nutmeg. I also put in ginger and some aniseed, some crushed aniseed in the dry flour as well. And I was just going to mix that together, guys. This is some butter, soft butter that I'm adding to the flour. And it's moving a little fast with this overlay. But I'm going to just go ahead and smush that together, rub that in all over in the flour, and mix that together very well. Guys, I love making cross bun for my family. My kids love it. We only make it once a year. So when I do get in the kitchen and make it, we enjoy this. I enjoy it and I love making it. Now this is 1 egg mixed with vanilla. So I add a little vanilla to the eggs and then I'm mixing this. And I also put to the side, guys, this right here is 3 pack of yeast and coconut milk. So just pour that together. And I had that outside rising for a good hour, guys. In a plastic, okay? Outside. So that's 3 packs of yeast and coconut milk. Just mix that together, guys. Just mix that all together until everything starts forming your dough. And like I said, this is look, this is the eggs that I'm going to pour in with the vanilla and just mix that together as well. Guys, this is something that I really love to do for my family. My mom used to do it. Her mom used to do it. And it's just something that's keep passing down. And hopefully my girls will do it or my son will continue doing this as well for our holiday. And now you just roll that up. I did that for like 5 minutes. I'm going to let that sit, add some some oil to it. I just rub that on there and then I'll just pack it up and let it sit for an hour. And this is what it's going to look like after an hour of sitting out. Very soft, very soft. So enjoy the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you came this far, I appreciate you guys. And you're going to see at the end what these cross buns are going to look like. They taste amazing. Very good. So enjoy. So guys, in this part of the video, Malia helped me roll out the crosses and everything. So now I'm just gonna butter them up before I put them in the oven to bake. And this is what it's gonna look like. These are our cross buns, our way. They are so good, guys. You just add a little butter or sugar. You can put some sugar with the butter, but since we're gonna add caramel to these, because my kids like them with caramel. And I like them just plain with a little bit of something on it. But these are the cross bun, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.